Ladies, picture this: the sun is shining, the temperature is rising, but your style remains cool and sophisticated. In a world where the sun reigns supreme and the heat is unrelenting, it's easy to feel like your style has to take a backseat to comfort. But what if I told you that elegance knows no temperature? Welcome to my guide on staying classy, stylish, and elegant, even when the mercury rises, because true sophistication doesn't wilt in the heat, it thrives. Let's dive into the secrets of looking fabulous under the summer sun. The striped maxi dress with flutter sleeves. In the heat of summer, staying classy and stylish is an art form. One wardrobe staple that can help you master this is the striped maxi dress with flutter sleeves. This dress features elongating vertical stripes and breezy flutter sleeves, which not only keep you cool but also add a touch of sophistication to your summer wardrobe. Whether you're lounging seaside or strolling along the boardwalk, let the striped maxi dress with flutter sleeves be your go-to choice for staying chic, stylish, and oh so elegant in the heat. Flowing silhouette and playful stripes, this dress whispers tales of carefree elegance with its flowing silhouette. The vertical stripes elongate your figure, while the flutter sleeves dance with every gentle breeze, casting an aura of timeless grace. Sleeveless vs. Flutter sleeves. Choosing between sleeveless and flutter sleeves often depends on personal style preferences, body shape, and comfort level. Best for women who enjoy showing off their arms and shoulders. Sleeveless dresses particularly accentuate toned arms and shoulders and can be flattering on various body shapes. Benefits: offer maximum ventilation and are ideal for hot weather, allowing for unrestricted movement and breathability. Flutter sleeve dresses. Best for women who prefer a touch of whimsy and romance in their outfits. Flutter sleeves can add volume and balance to the upper body, making them suitable for women with narrow shoulders or smaller busts. Benefits: provide coverage while still allowing airflow, making them a comfortable option for hot summer days. They add movement and softness to the silhouette, creating a romantic and ethereal look, perfect for garden parties, brunches, or any event where you want to exude charm and grace. The cotton t-shirt dress. Picture a serene stroll under the summer sun, wrapped in the epitome of comfort and sophistication, the cotton t-shirt dress. This dress is not just a garment, it's a testament to understated elegance. Loose fit and comfort. Its loose fit allows for unrestricted movement, embracing the breeze and keeping you cool and collected even on the hottest of days. Versatility. Whether you're enjoying a leisurely brunch with friends or attending a sophisticated garden party, the cotton t-shirt dress effortlessly transitions from casual to chic, making a statement without saying a word. Perfect scenarios for a t-shirt dress. Busy moms balancing the demands of family and work. A t-shirt dress is effortless to throw on for running errands, attending school functions, or chasing after little ones at the park. Working professionals. Women with busy schedules need a wardrobe that can transition seamlessly from the office to after-work social events. Pair it with a blazer and heels during the day. Then swap for statement jewelry and flats for an evening out. Travel enthusiasts for those always on the go. A t-shirt dress is easy to pack, comfortable to wear, and versatile enough for various occasions. Casual gatherings ideal for casual gatherings with friends and family or outdoor events, providing much-needed breathability and comfort. Accessorizing a t-shirt dress. How do you elevate the simplicity of a t-shirt dress? Here are some elegant and practical ideas, best for women who prefer a touch of whimsy and romance in their outfits. Flutter sleeves can add volume and balance to the upper body, making them suitable for women with narrow shoulders or smaller busts. Stylish sunglasses protect your eyes and elevate your look with a pair of chic sunglasses. Wide-brimmed hat, perfect for shielding yourself from the sun, while adding a fashionable twist. Chic handbag, complete your summer look with a stylish handbag that complements your dress. The linen jumpsuit. Another versatile piece that should be a staple in your summer wardrobe is the linen jumpsuit. Known for its breathable fabric and effortless style, the linen jumpsuit is perfect for those scorching summer days. Lightweight and breathable, its lightweight material allows for maximum comfort while ensuring you remain stylish and put together. Versatility, whether heading to a beachside dinner or a casual outing with friends, the linen jumpsuit offers a balance of sophistication and ease. Styling a linen jumpsuit. Casual look, pair it with espadrilles and a woven tote for a laid-back look. Refined ensemble, dress it up with wedges and statement jewelry for a more polished appearance. Embrace vibrant colors and patterns. Bright colors and floral prints can add a cheerful touch to your outfits, making you stand out in the best way possible. If you prefer a minimalist approach, classic neutrals and pastels are always a safe bet for timeless elegance.